Hi, we're on homework 5 problem 7. So this is for about the batch views with no SQL or MongoDB. So what we're gonna do is we install the MongoDB in our local using Docker. So this is the image that we have, and then the image was instantiated and it's running right here by using a sudo docker ps command. So it is attached to port 27017. So we also downloaded and installed Studio 3T. So it gets that data from the same server that we installed in this as a Docker instance. So we see that these are the initial databases for this MongoDB instance. Now let's work on on number 2, which is the design. I think this was already implemented. So we're ready to run our report 0, which is just the same 3 queries that we run in problem 1. So let's run that, but the output this time will be to our MongoDB server. The source code for our query 1 is this. So it gets outputs the data to a MongoDB URL right here, and the input file is just from this data set in this location. So now let's run this. Let's check the argument that was passed to this application. So the argument is the input data and then the URL to our MongoDB instance right here. So it creates a database CSCI E88, and then the collection name is P7 query 1. Now let's run this. So the Spark job was completed. Now let's check on the Studio 3T for if we generated our query 1 results or our batch view for query 1. So we have here the database name, which is CSCI E88, and then the result is P7 query 1. Let's view the content. So this is the result that we got for query 1. So date, time, hour, and the unique URLs. So that's it for query 1. Now let's check on the query 2. So query 2 source code is this. So again, it outputs the data to MongoDB. So right here, the output data. Let's check on the arguments. Right here for query 2, we should select the query 2 in this here. So we have the same input data from problem 1, and then the output is to a MongoDB server with a database name of CSCI E88, and the collection name is P7 query 2. So let's run this application. Then it completed processing our input data. Now let's check on the result for this run. We have the P7 query 2 result here. So we can use this result and requery this MongoDB to get the data again. This is it's working. Now let's check on query 2.